What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we discussing about how to catch big moves in Forex market. So I'm using now Euro USD for a sample chart. So to catch a big move, you need to consider things and what we are looking for. So first we need to know the trend of the market on a higher time frame. So usually what I meant on the higher time frame is like days, weeks, or months. But now we're using day as our higher time frame. So as you can see here, it is when you're on a higher time frame, you will see a clearer picture of the market structure, like the swing high, swing low, and then so on. So so when the price is like having this break, so you can see here, this is the, like for example here, this is the low, and then it retraces back on the specified supply, because these move have the structure to become bearish. So after breaking the previous low, it creates a new low here, and this move right here have another move that is going to the upside that respected this area. Notice that this area is the one that or the area where we see this break of structure, and it creates a supply here that has respected on this price and makes another low. So as you can see here, um this last up candle here is have this bearish move right here. So the price comes back on that area and goes back again. So when we try to look at the 1 hour, um you can see that the price is um having this bearish structure or downtrend structure, because as you can see on our, if we may like see our higher time frame structure, it is retracing to the upside. But we see this bullish candle here that it might be a possible of um reversal. And then we see also this break of structure, or like mini structure here, and then this structure here. Maybe this is a liquidity that it swept before reaching this supply zone here. But um always remember the liquidity that we have shown you on our previous videos, that when we see a liquidity like this forming in the market, um it is always taken out with the banks or with the financial institutions. And maybe it could be a move that will go back here. So this is move is a bullish candle, go back here and make it a distribution, taking out of the liquidity and go up again. And um so we wanna highlight the big moves, because sometimes we cannot see this in the same structure in other pairs. So it is recommended to have a backtesting file with you. Like this is for Euro USD, and doesn't make sure that this strategy or structure is also seen in other pairs. So um going back to 1 hour, um so in a daily time frame, um the price did come back on this supply zone, right? So if you are like um watching how the market moves, you can see on the lower time frame, or in a 1 hour time frame, that the price did top on this area, and then creates this mini break of structure here, creates another break of structure here, and creates another break of structure here. So another thing to consider is the confirmation. So before we take any, so our bias here, because when we see the trend, it is bearish, right? So our bias is in bearish move, or bearish trade. Um we wanna make sure that our trade is sell here, because uh the structure is in bearish. So when we try to look on the 1 hour time frame, we see a lot of break of structure. So let me go back on the notes. So trend on a higher time frame, trend in this one is downtrend, right? And then the other thing that needs to be considered is the confirmation. So the confirmation that we need to see is since we are in bullish structure here, right? Um you see the structure is in bullish. It is bullish because market is having this move to the upside so that it will reach this and test this area if it will still be respected. So so it can be considered as a big move as well because if we try to check it on the lower time frame. If we like see it here, like for in 1 hour time frame, you see a lot of demand created. This one bullish move and then retraces back, bullish move again, and then retraces back, um, giving us a uptrend structure, bullish, and then correction phase, bullish again, correction phase, and then once it reach the supply area, um, it has reflected and made this bearish move to the um bearish impulsive move and creates another supply zone. So this confirmation here is we wanna see to place a sell trade. So when we try to for example here, this one, or in this one, another break. As much as possible, we want to see a lot of break of structure. So this is a change of character, and then this is a break of structure to the downside because this candle close below this low. So we can try to see it in much in like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Like you can see that the market is fractal, creating as another structure in a lower time frame, but it is the same concept with the higher time frame. It's just that you will see a more opportunity in the lower time frame and more confirmation when you try to um look it on the 1 minute or 5 minutes time frame. So you can see here um how this move creates this move and then goes back again, respected the area, and then um made this impulsive move to the downside. So it is like when you see a lot of breakup structures, you can um place a sell trade, and you can try to look on like 1 hour time frame to set your um profits or target profit, since you're seeing here a lot of liquidity below this trend line. It is possible that the price will go down here, and a lot of one factor is the imbalance left on this bullish move. So it is considered as price can go down here to fill that imbalance, and the price did that in this move, right? So um we wanna see if you try to get a bigger picture in some areas of the chart, you can mark off the liquidity areas like this one. It may be in a downtrend, but market is forming or creating building up a liquidity above this structure or above this highs. So which have this move here. A lot of liquidity has swept above this one and then made another low right here. So um it is very important to know or to like draw the important moves in your chart like this one. As you can see here, this will be actually this demand here will be a possible target profit, because as you can see, this is the start of bullish move, and bullish move that creates this liquidity, or that creates this uptrend here. And we wanna highlight this because when the price hits the daily supply zone, look what it's look like here. It creates an equal high. So there's there's a possibility that it will take in um it will take in soon of the moves of the market. So um so there's also a lot of liquidity here building down here that we could take a look on next week. And but as you may see here, this week will be somehow a next supply, or this one, because there's a significant move here that you know creates this um it creates this move and swept all the liquidity above this high. So maybe we could like consider um having taking some monitoring in this zones, or maybe this one, because there's a lot of imbalance left. um and then this one in 15-minute time zone. So on taking or wanted to catch big moves, so number one is to check the trend. We want to like, so confirmation is multiple break of structure. So number one is trend on higher time frame. So we wanna ride or the flow of the trend. And but if you wanted to ride the liquidity, or the how the market moves impulsively in, or making impulsive moves and breaking any highs or lows in lower time frame, we can do that also. But it is significant if we see the bigger picture of the market in higher time frame, like daily, weekly, or monthly. So the other thing that we need to consider is the time or session. So big moves are always taking it during London session and New York session. Um so you can back test that one, but when you avail the course of Excel student course, you will have this indicator here that represents the Asian range, and how the market creates a liquidity below and above it. And when the London or New York starts, it swept either the high of Asian high or the Asian low. Like for example, this one, This is a Asian high, as you can see. This is a downtrend, right? Our bias is downtrend. So when the market um opens at London, it breaks this Asian high here and respects this supply here, right here. And once it reached the supply, it impulsively moved to the downside, right? And break this previous low, right? So um which when this impulsive move here breaks this low, it also swept all the liquidity here in Asian low. So it is very important to know what session you are taking the trade. But um in our experience, it is best time to trade during London and New York because there's a lot of buyers and sellers that is taking trades on those times. So you might also consider taking up or getting this indicator just to see how the market swept the liquidity above the Asian low and Asian high before making this big moves here. So that's it, guys. I hope that you learned something new on this session. See you in our next video. Bye.